Hi everyone. If you've ever wanted to quickly turn on AirDrop for everyone without going through multiple tabs in the control center, I've got a hidden iPhone trick that I'll make it happen with just one tap, straight from your home screen or even from your control center. Let's check it out. So normally, to make your AirDrop available for everyone, you'd have to open Control Center, tap and hold on the Network Connections box, then tap AirDrop, and finally choose Everyone for 10 minutes. That's a lot of steps, right? But with this trick, we will make it happen instantly with just one tap. First, open the Shortcuts app, then tap the plus icon to create a new shortcut. Now in the search bar, type AirDrop, and from the list choose Set AirDrop Receiving. Once you select it, you'll see three options: Receiving Off, Contacts Only, and Everyone for 10 minutes. Choose Everyone for 10 minutes, and that's it. Your shortcut is ready. Next, tap the little arrow at the top. That is where you can rename your shortcut. I'll call mine AirDrop Everyone. Then tap the icon beside the name if you want to customize it. You can pick a symbol or even a photo from your Files or Photos app to make it stand out. Once you're done, tap Add to Home Screen. Now you'll have an icon on your iPhone's home screen that is instantly sets your AirDrop to everyone for 10 minutes with one tap. But it gets even better. You can also add this shortcut to your Control Center for even quicker access. Open Control Center and then tap and hold to add a new control. Okay, and then scroll down and find Shortcuts. Now tap on Run Shortcuts. When you tap it, tap on Choose, and then choose this shortcut. And here, now it is being added to the control center. Now you can turn it on by just one tap. And that's it. No more long tapping, no more menus. Just one tap to make AirDrop available for everyone. If you found this tip helpful, make sure to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Phonotech for more iPhone tricks like this one. And I'll see you in the next one.